Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit Ethereum in your OKEx wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First open the OKEx app, then go to the assets section, and at the assets section, on the top of the screen you can see your assets total value, and below that the deposit, withdraw and transfer icons. Now tap on the deposit icon, and to deposit Ethereum you will find it at the deposit crypto section. The third icon is Ethereum, and when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own Ethereum QR code, and with this QR code you can deposit your Ethereums in your OKEx wallet, or just tap on copy address and it's going to copy automatically your Ethereum address and receive your Ethereum coins this way. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one.